Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm going to take basics of Python. So can we start? Okay. So what is Python? Python is a high level programming language, and also it is an object oriented programming language. And also it's very simple, and it's straightforward, and it's expressive. So why we are saying like that? It's because if we compare with other language like C, Java and all, it has a lots of lines of code, and also it is very difficult for us to understand, right? For a even if a experienced person we can understand, but for a beginner it is very difficult to understand. But Python, even a beginner can able to understand. Okay, that's why we are saying that Python is simple, expressive, and is a quite straightforward. And also it's an interpreted language. Why we are saying Python is an interpreted language is because it does not have any compilation phase like C and Java has. Okay, as it's an interpreted language, the execution is happening line by line. So we will get the um, errors is displayed immediately during the execution. Okay, and also it's platform independent. Why we are saying that it's a platform independent? It's because it can run on any platform. Only thing is that Python interpreter should be installed. Okay, another thing is that it has a lots of inbuilt libraries. Okay, in addition to that, it has third-party libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn. These all things we are using in machine learning. Okay, and next I'm going to talk about the advantage of being interpreted. Okay, easier debugging. That means I already said that as is an interpreted language, that is line by line execution is happening. Errors are displayed immediately during the execution. And also it's a flexible, very flexible. That means the code can run and modify interactively. Okay, and the thing is it's portable. As I said earlier, it can run on any platform. Only thing is that Python interpreter should be installed. Okay, that's why we are saying that it's portable. I hope you guys understood till now. So next I'm going to talk about commands in Python. Okay, so we are using commands in every language, right? So why we are giving commands? In order for more readability. Okay, for example, if one person writes some code, if another person needs to understand that code, he or she needs to give some commands. Then other person can easily he can able to understand. He or she can able to understand. Okay, so there are two types of commands are there: single line commands and multiple line commands. Single line commands starts with a hash. Then we can write the commands. Multiple line commands, we can use hash for each line, and also we can give a single quote or double quote. Only thing is that we need to give three quotes in the first and as well as the last. Okay, so I can show that one. So here you can see the single line comment, we need to give hash in front of that. For a multiple line comments, we can use hash for each line, but you can use the quotes also, single quote as well as multiple double quotes. But only thing is that we need to give three quotes in the front as well as back, I means last also. Next I'm going to talk about the statements in Python. I hope you guys understood till now. If you have any doubt, please put comments. I will answer. Okay, statements means it's an instructions that a Python interpreter can execute. Okay, so there are single line statement, multiple line statement. Okay, so these are single line statement. For example, A1 equal to 20 plus 20. It's a single line statement. Like A2 equal to, there's a list A, B, C. These are single line statement. But here you can see a multiple line statement. For the multiple line, S1 equal to 10 plus 30 plus 50 plus 50 plus 80 plus 80. But we have given in a three lines, right? So if we are giving like that, we need to give slash at the end of each line. Okay, but other than that, we can give like 10 plus 30 plus, we can give us a single line as well as multi-line. Here in this example, S2 equal to, this is a list I have given, but here I don't want to give slash. I hope you guys understood what is single line statement and multi-line statement, and as well as the comment, single line comment and multi-line comment. Okay. Then we can go to variables. Okay. So what is variables? So variables is a reserved memory location in order to store the values. So when we assign some value to a variable, then the variable is created. Okay. But before, so when we create a variable, we need to know the rules for creating the variable. It must start with a letter or underscore. It cannot start with a number. It can contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. Okay, it is case sensitive. So these are the rules when we create the variable. Okay, we should keep in our mind when we create a variable, this the four rules. First one is that it should start with a letter or underscore. It cannot start with a number. It can contain only alphanumeric characters and underscores, and it is case sensitive. Then what is variable? Variable is a reserved memory location in order to store the value. So when it is created, when we assign some value to the variable, then the variable is created. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. So here I have given three variables P, Q and R. Each I have given some value. Okay, so P equal to 20, Q equal to 20 and R equal to Q. That means R equal to 20. So I have, in order to display the value of P, type of P and the memory location of P, I have given P, type of P, hex of ID of P in order to get the memory location. Same I have given for the Q and R. I hope you guys understood till now. So let's proceed with the data types of the Python. There are 5 symbol data types in Python: integer, string, float, bool and none type. Okay, so when we create a variable in C and C, Java and all, we are giving data type. Okay, but here we don't want to give the data type when we create a variable. Okay, so here the system will infer it dynamically. So we don't want to give the data type. Here given I have given 5 variables like name, age, rating, started and income. I have assigned value to each of the variable. Okay, the first name I have given string type, age is a int type, rating value is float type, started is a bool type and income is a none type. And I have, in order to print that one, I have used a print of type of that particular variable in order to get the type of each variable. Next, we can talk go to the type conversion. Okay, so here in Python, automatic type conversion will happen. Okay, so first we can go to the example here. You can see here, right? Print age plus 50. Age is int. Okay, int plus int. We got int. But age plus 2.5, that is int plus float, we got float. Okay, so if we give int plus float, we will get float, and if we give int plus bool, we'll get int. Okay, but for the string and none, we get an error. Okay, because if you see here, print name plus 1, name is a string plus 1 is int, right? So string plus int, we will get an error. Okay, so I hope you guys understood till now. If you guys have any doubt, please comment. I will answer. So we can learn the list, string, dictionary and all in the next video. So I hope you guys understood till now. So bye. So we can see in the next video.